just wanted to show you how that ground. Sorry about the noise, but I just wanted to also show you this issue that I'm having, which is there's no catch tray underneath. And so when you take this out, it just automatically drops a bunch of mess. There you have the grounds. Whoops. And it has the, whoops. See, I'm making a mess again. It has the settings on here so that you can change it to whatever grind you need. And it doesn't actually hold enough in the container to do the 12. I found if I stand here and keep the lid off and add more beans to it, it will actually grind to the full amount. But the grinder does work well. Probably the only thing that I'm not super thrilled with is the mess that it always makes when you pull the little tray out. So that's minor, but usually they have some kind of a little catch tray, and it doesn't normally, my old one didn't shoot out that much from the leftover grinds onto the tray anyway. So, but anyways, it's a good little grinder otherwise.
Okay, today we're going to review the Lonkion coffee bean grinder. It's a nice little unit. It has a micro adjust settings for the coffee bean grind, and it has the amount of coffee that you want ground. So first we're going to put the beans in the grinder. And since we're using a French press, we're going to go from a fine, very fine espresso mist grind down to a coarse grind for French press. And then we're going to adjust it to 2 cups and start it. Okay, we're done. So now we're going to take out the ground coffee, and let's check it out, see how it looks. And that is the coarse ground coffee. It's fairly quiet. It's not super loud, but it adjusts the amount of coffee needed. Has a micro adjust for coarseness of the bean grind. Everything you'd want in a coffee bean grinder.